Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down stability and choosing the lens and exposure that preserve detail. Mount the camera or phone securely, then select the focal length and framing you need. Once done, set ISO low to minimize noise and pick a shutter speed at least the reciprocal of focal length to reduce blur. Make sure autofocus uses a single point on the subject. If contrast is low, switch to manual focus and nudge focus until edges look sharp in the viewfinder. Now refine how the camera records detail. Verify focus with magnified live view or focus peaking and lock it. You want the plane of sharpness exactly where the subject sits because small errors are magnified at long zooms. Next, bracket exposure by taking one neutral, one darker, and one brighter frame to protect highlights and shadows. Once done, shoot RAW so you preserve maximum data for later sharpening and noise control. Make slight exposure and finish by processing the RAW file to extract clarity. Apply selective sharpening with a small radius, then use local contrast and clarity sparingly to avoid halos. Once done, reduce noise on luminance and chroma channels while preserving fine edges. Use masking so textured areas stay crisp. If results still look soft, make sure you didn't get motion blur. If you did, try Doppler filters, but the best fix is to reshoot with a faster shutter, higher ISO, or better stabilization to eliminate the source of blur.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.